What up, everybody? It's your boy DL, aka the Church Guitarist, and I'm completely blown away by how many people across the country are hitting us, how many people are signing up for students or buying our church essential package. First of all, before I get started with this crazy announcement, please go up and subscribe to this YouTube page or join our Facebook Church Guitarist Club. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Well, I have incredible news. I'm holding in my hand the Church Guitarist Starter Kit. We've partnered with Stadium Guitars, and we now offer a beginning to intermediate package guitar. Now, one of my favorite guitars that sits in my arsenal is a Stadium Telecaster. So this is like the brother or the sister to that model. It's a beautifully put together guitar. Let me play it so you can see what it sounds like. It's a beautiful guitar. So let me talk about the specs real quick. It comes with great machine tuners, maple neck. I believe this is Alder wood with an incredible finish. You see the wood grain is still attached. It's still, you can still see it clearly. The wood grain, you can still see it clearly. It comes with a 3-way selector switch, neck, bridge and neck combined, and then bridge. It also comes with, it looks like Fender antique, like ashtray saddles. You would love it. Volume and tone. This guitar plays well, I promise you. If you're a beginner to intermediate guitar player and you're looking for a guitar that will not break the bank, just go ahead, grab you the Church Guitar Starter Package. Only $250, I'll ship it to you. Here's what you get in the package.
The package includes a gig bag, a professional setup, a leather strap, my favorite strings, also my favorite picks, a headstock tuner, and a 10-inch instrument cable.
Don't miss it. The Church Guitar Starter Kit. Get you one today. We've already sold 2 before I could do the commercial. Thank you again. Reach out to us if you want to know how to purchase the Church Guitar Starter Kit. Always, you can email us at thechurchguitars@gmail.com. I think the link will be on the screen. All right, I'll see you soon.